modern and just steps away from Missouri State University. Welcome to View on Walnut. I'm Allison. Get ready for a whole new view on upscale student living. Being in the heart of downtown with spots like Gailey's, Papo's, and other restaurants, plus shopping and nightlife, and just minutes away from Drury, OTC, and MSU. You're never far away from the action. Here at the View on Walnut, we have everything you need to live your best life. Crush your fitness goals anytime in our 24-hour fitness center. From cardio to strength training, you'll have all the gear you need to stay in shape. When it's time to focus, hit the books in one of our private study lounges. Whether you're soaking up the vibes in our resort-style pool or hanging out with your friends in our game room, every space is designed to keep up with you.
The gym here is really peaceful. It's a 24-hour gym. It's just really nice to be able to come down whenever you want and not being a crowded gym. Definitely just a better place to live.
No matter what you're looking for or who you're looking with, you're sure to find the space that fits your lifestyle. From smart TVs to designer furniture and even stainless steel appliances, comfort and convenience are built right in. Ready to see what upscale student living looks like? Click below. I can't wait to show you.